The South Carolina Low Country, a place of haunting beauty, shrouded in Spanish moss and secrets. It was here, on a sprawling estate called Moselle, that tragedy struck the prominent Murdaugh family. On a warm June night in 2021, Margaret Murdaugh and her son Paul were found shot to death near the property's dog kennels. The crime sent shockwaves through the community and beyond, leaving a trail of grief and unanswered questions. At the center of this tragedy stood Alex Murdaugh, a respected lawyer and patriarch of a family with deep roots in the region. As the investigation unfolded, Alex became the prime suspect, his life unraveling under the intense scrutiny of law enforcement and the relentless glare of the media. Prosecution presented a case built on circumstantial evidence, arguing that Alex, driven by financial desperation and seeking to distract from his alleged misdeeds, killed his wife and son. But did they? Or did the prosecution, eager to secure a conviction against a man whose family name had long been synonymous with power and privilege, overlook crucial details and reasonable doubts? The prosecution focused on an incriminating Snapchat video taken at 8:44:55 p.m. and ending at roughly 8:45 p.m. by Murdaugh's son just before the murders. Alex Murdaugh was reluctant to place himself near the crime scene that day due to his lack of trust with SLED. To some, this may seem exaggerated, but from the beginning, this case was motivated by someone who had power that clearly wanted Alex out of the way. Alex has worked with SLED for years and knows the corruption they are capable of, and his case is proof of that. When Alex Murdaugh was indicted, Colleton County grand jurors were told by law enforcement that he had blood spatter on the t-shirt he was wearing the night Maggie and Paul. It was not until later, after the defense team requested the evidence, that they discovered there was no blood spatter on the shirt. SLED agent David Owen testified that he misled the grand jury about the alleged blood spatter evidence on the t-shirt, but said he did not intend to do so. The department announced after the murders there was no danger to the public. Therefore, they were not fearful any individual was out killing individuals because they assumed the killer to be Alex from the beginning. There was no DNA